Hello and welcome to another episode of this interview series Parichay, that is broadcast, telecast over Vyasadarshan, the channel run by Fakir Mohan University. Friends, today in the studio in this program we have Professor Ramesh Behel. Welcome, sir. He is Director of IMI Bhubaneswar at present. Sir, we are so happy to have you here.
Same here.
And I'm very sure, just because of the aura, because of the vibe that you're emitting, that it is going to be a wonderful conversation. So, born and brought up in Delhi?
No, living in Delhi.
Okay.
I am born in Kanpur.
In Kanpur, तो आप यूपी से हैं?
That's a tough question. My father was in Air Force.
अच्छा.
So we traveled all across
Okay.
India.
Okay.
So it happened to be that time they were in Kanpur, so I born in Kanpur.
Okay.
But otherwise, I belong to the state of Punjab.
Punjab. And then your education?
It's all across.
Acha.
It's all across. So we can't define that this city was.
Right. Right. So here you have come to Odisha for the first time. I mean, Baleswar for the first time?
No, this is my second visit to FM University.
Yeah, yeah. And you have come to, you're part of this, you're invited as a guest of honor for this national conference that the Department of IT and Computer Science, and the topic is AI, Artificial Intelligence. And what a creative, I mean, it's the need of the hour to talk about such a relevant topic. How do you feel in this university, in this campus? Let us start by this.
No, it's a fantastic university. This is my second visit to the campus.
Okay.
A couple of months back, I visited here for a different reason.
Okay.
And I moved around the university. A lot of good things which I noticed, and a lot of activities are happening out here, which is really encouraging. And especially this particular national conference on a very apt topic of artificial intelligence, because over the years, AI has become a part and parcel of our lifestyle, whether we like it or we don't like it. So if the university department is trying to do a conference and on this particular topic, which basically talks how forthcoming is the university and the professors of the university, which they work, because very few people or very few institutions basically look at these kinds of events to be organized. So great experience we had in the morning.
So you have been into academics for a long period of time now.
Close to 4 decades now.
4 decades, and then research, and then teaching. So what was this always in your, back of the mind that you want to go into academics, or it just happened?
It just happened.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
I started with the industry, but then it happened.
And you enjoyed it. That is why,
Yeah.
Okay. So, what do you look forward to? AI and future, and AI is getting into so many part of our lives. From this news anchors to this in the restaurants to this AI automated, this information giving machines and all. So, but where do you see this going to?
See, I said technology has become part and parcel of our lifestyles today. So whether we like it or we don't like it, we need to live with it. Okay. And that's what we were talking about in the morning also, that AI is there for so many years. But yes, it has become the reality for the businesses, for the life also. Okay, because the things which you can automate, obviously let the machine do it. But the creative mindset would remain with us. The innovative thought processes would remain with the human being. And that's what we always talk about, that the younger generation need to keep that intact and keep it growing.
That is true.
It should not happen that machine should rule us. Okay, we invented the machine, so we should rule the machine.
Yeah, actually, and as we see that today, given the smartphones and this 5G technology, we all are some or other in the other way, we are all dancing to the tunes of it. Rather than we controlling it, it controls us.
Yeah,
कई लोग कहते हैं कि दोस्त छीन लिया, खान पान बनाने वाला जो सिस्टम है जोमेटो स्विगी ने रिप्लेस कर दिया. सो बहुत सारी चीजों को छीन लिया इस मोबाइल फोन ने, डिजिटल युग ने, एंड देन एआई कमिंग इन, पता नहीं कहाँ हम जा रहे हैं. देन एज यू से कि होप हमेशा रखना चाहिए, जिंदा रखना चाहिए, एंड वी शुड कंट्रोल इट.
हाँ, see, excess of anything is bad. So आपको खुद को एक लिमिट पे रहना है ना.
जी जी.
कितना हम उसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंसी इंक्रीज करेंगे वो हमारे ऊपर ही है, नुकसान हमारा ही है.
जी जी, ट्रू. So sir, as we all know, ये कहा जाता है that you travel a mile, it's equal to reading 100 books. आप इतनी जगह रह के आए हो, you have from this army background आपका रहा है, परवरिश इतने डिसिप्लिन वाला हम कहते हैं. So I think does it have, I mean of course हो गई, but आपके मुंह से सुनना चाहेंगे, has it had a very like strong influence in your success, in whatever you are, making you the man that you're today?
Yes, because see, a couple of things which are important, which the defense background gives you, whether we like it or we don't like it. The discipline comes automatically. Okay, the value for time comes in automatically. You tend to deal with a diverse set of people, in your childhood. Because every 3 years you need to make a new friend. New city, new place,
new school.
Okay. So that teaches you a lot of things in life. Because we say that we live in a globalized environment today. But that is what we learned in our childhood. When you move from south to the west and west to the north and north to the east, so automatically you get to learn those things. So that is paying back now when you try to do something of your own. So
that is so true. I mean, adaptability, you learn how to adapt to different situations and places. Yeah. So, sir, where do you say, I mean, in this world of academics and research, I mean, so many students are watching this program, and for every guest that we have on this studio, we try and get some learnings from them. So their life journey is a lesson in itself, but then we also have a few word of suggestions from their side.
बहुत सिंपल है.
अब वो क्या है?
जो करो, एंजॉय करो.
अच्छा.
बहुत सिंपल है.
जी.
Because sometimes you meet a people and they start with a very sad kind of a expression on the face. ये अच्छा नहीं है, वो अच्छा नहीं है. क्या करेंगे? Right? You see, I always tell my students also, when you start your career, colleagues are not given to you by your choice. Bosses are not given to you by your choice. Okay. So you need to find a way, to live with them, work with them, and enjoy. So that's what the simple mantra is. खुशी ढूंढो. जो भी है. Live the life for today. And that would give you the success. That would give you the path.
Happiness भी एक habit है. You need to make that habit of trying. हंस के जी लो. तो जिंदगी जीने का भी ये एक तरीका है, ये जो एक हुनर है, वो भी बहुत जरूरी है. I mean, what you're doing as part of your job or as a career, वो तो एक चीज है, but उसके अलावा भी कई चीजें हैं जो आपको अपने इर्द गिर्द डेवलप करना है. आपका एक सोशल सर्कल है, आपका एक इमोशनल हेल्थ है, फिजिकल हेल्थ है, so many other things out there. तो सर
दोस्त जरूर
बनाइए. So are you a very friendly person?
Yeah.
and so we would love to have you again on the studio. पता नहीं एक वाइब सा आ रहा है कि आप फिर से आए, एक बड़ा अच्छा सा लग रहा है. एंड आप हमारे प्रोग्राम के लिए कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? I mean, this is a studio of the Department of Journalism Mass Communication के द्वारा managed है. It is also the brainchild of our esteemed Vice Chancellor sir only. It was his idea that you should have this kind of a place जहाँ पे आप programs बनाएं. Actually, आपके students जो हैं वो practically चीजों को करके देखें. So it is his brainchild only.
Very good initiative because an institution having something like this and capturing these moments and the experiences and the journey of people and sharing with the student is a marvelous thought.
जी.
बिकॉज एक क्लासरूम में लर्निंग होती है, एक क्लासरूम के बाहर लर्निंग होती है. ओके, और ये एक वो वाला इनिशिएटिव है, तो बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक.
Learning by doing things. Yeah. So thank you, sir,
थैंक यू.
for giving such such a wonderful, for having this such a wonderful conversation on this show, and I'm sure that you will love your stay in this place.
Yeah.
Are you staying tomorrow as well? Or are you leaving today?
We are leaving.
So with this expectation that you visit this university
Yeah, sure.
very
Yes,
soon
love
once
to-
again, I take your leave, and once
Thank you.
again thank you
Thank
for
you very much.
being on this
Yeah.
program. Namaskar. So friends, today we had Professor Ramesh Behel with us here in conversation, and in the next episode definitely we'll have another wonderful conversation with a new guest. And stay tuned, keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing the videos that you see on Vyasa Darshan. With this note, I take your leave. Namaskar.